Alright guys, today I'm going to come on in and do a quick unboxing review on my new replacement ink. This is the 64 XL for HP printer. So let's go and actually just see how it looks, and then we'll go ahead and install it in the printer and test it out. These right here, the black and the color, very simple. Check it out. And here's the other one. So all you gotta do is remove the plastic right here. Take this piece off, and then we're ready to install it into the printer. So let's go and actually test it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install them. One of the biggest selling points on these are the cost on them. These are manufactured cartridges, which means you can save up to 50% compared to buying the brand HP ink while still getting the same print quality. That makes them a practical choice for home office, students, or small businesses that print often but don't want to overspend on supplies. Capacity is another key factor. Each black cartridge can print up to 700 pages, and the color cartridge gives up to around 465 pages based on the 5% coverage on A4 paper. That's more than enough for everyday use like school assignments, reports, or even printing family photos. The high yield means fewer replacements and less hassle over time. Compatibility is also a big one. These work with a wide range of HP printers, including the NV Photo series, as well as the HP Tango like I have here. So if you already have one of these printers, these should slot right in without any issue. They use smart chip technology, so the printer recognizes them immediately, and you still get access to the ink levels monitoring feature. As for the print quality, they deliver sharp text for documents and vibrant, consistent colors for photos. As you can see, I did both here. The ink dries quickly to prevent smudging, and the output is comparable to the original cartridges in terms of clarity and detail. Overall, this combo pack is about saving money while getting you reliable performance. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for some new HP replacement cartridges, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.